I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Ford Ranger door handle, easy method. Start by removing the interior door panel using a Phillips screwdriver and a trim tool to access the handle mechanism. Take photos as you go so reassembly is simple, and work on a clean, flat surface with good light. Wear gloves to protect your hands and lay parts out in order of removal to speed up the rebuild process. Once the panel is off, locate the bolts securing the exterior handle and unbolt them with a socket set, keeping hardware in one place. Free the latch rods by releasing their retaining clips and easing the rods out one at a time. If a clip resists, use a small flat tool to pry gently and avoid forcing parts to prevent breaking plastic components. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more DIY tips. Quick recommendation: the product seen here is the Kindle Paperwhite, perfect for reading while waiting for glue or parts to set, and it's a handy shop companion. Check the description for the link and other deals, and thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Position the new handle into the door cavity and feed the latch rods back into place, confirming they reach the latch mechanism. Reattach each retaining clip until you hear a firm click, then bolt the handle in using the same mounting points and hardware. Cycle the door open and close to verify smooth operation before reinstalling the interior panel and final trim pieces.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.